Hey guys, this is Jason with MuseGrid.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to customize the overall look and feel of your Google Maps widget. So in order to accomplish this, first we're going to open up our settings panel and just get kind of a lay of the land of what we're going to need to do. So we're going to collapse the general settings panel and we're going to open up the design panel. And you'll notice that here it's actually just looking for one file in order to customize this map. And that's because we do all of our customization not with inside the settings panel here, but at a website called snazzymaps.com. So snazzymaps.com, you can go here, you can see that I have actually a map open. Actually, I'll go back to explore here really quickly just so you can see. But on snazzymaps.com, what you can do is come in here and not only create your own look and feel for your map, but you can also explore what other people have created and use what they've created in order to style your map. So in order to make this video quick and easy, I'm going to actually work from an existing style that has already been created by another artist. So as I scroll down here, you'll see that this particular map, which is the one I had open a while ago, is called Light Dream. I kind of like the way that this looks, so we're going to start here. So I'm just going to open this up. Now, I like the way that this map looks out of the box. I really don't want to change anything about it just yet. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here and see where it says JavaScript Style Array. There's a copy button right here. I'm going to simply click that, and you'll see that it gives me a visual indication that it copied to my clipboard. Now that I have that, what we're going to do is not go back to Muse. We're actually going to go to the download that you received whenever you downloaded this product. And you'll notice that here in this folder that was expanded, you had the mulib file, but you also have these three directories. We're going to look at the styles directory. Now, in this styles directory, we've included a number of files here for you. These are JavaScript object notation files, and you can open these up with any general text editor that you have on your machine. In my case, I use brackets, so I'm going to open mine up with brackets. These four here are all pre-existing designs, just like I did with Light Dream, except it's called Blue Water. Well, actually, here's Light Dream. I forgot that I had this one in here. Midnight Commander, and one that's called WY. But most likely what you're going to do is you're going to go into Snazzy Maps, you're going to choose a map that you like, and what you can do is come up here to this one called blank.json. So I'm going to open this with brackets, okay? And here's brackets. So I have this file open right now, and you'll notice that it's blank. Well, it's named blank because it's blank, right? So I'm going to, what I copied to my clipboard a moment ago, I'm going to simply just paste. So now you'll see that that code is pasted into this file, and I'm just going to simply save it, okay? So I'm going to minimize this. I'm probably just going to rename this file here to, you know, maybe my project name, whatever it is. So I'm just going to call it custom for me, but you can call it whatever you want, just so that it's no longer blank and we are not getting confused with what we're uploading here, right? So there it is. I've renamed it to custom. Now what I need to do is go attach this to my map. So I'm just going to come into the settings, collapse general settings, and open up design, go to add file. Now here is my file right here, this one called custom. And I'm going to simply just open it, and you'll notice that immediately my map will now take on the look and feel of the map that we got from Snazzy Maps. Now, before we close off this tutorial, I just want to take you really quickly back out to Snazzy Maps and just give you a little quick overview of some of the things that you can do in here. So what you would do is you would come in here and click Customize, and from here you can actually start from, in my case, it happens to be this one called Light Dream, and you can now start adjusting things as you see fit. So for example, if you wanted to, I don't know, if you wanted to show administration, country, or maybe let's go neighborhood, we'll go with labels, and we're basically going to turn labels off. Okay, it looks like labels maybe are already off or simplified. There you go. You can kind of see that right here a little bit. So turn the labels on or off, right? It could be that land parcel. We're actually going to turn those all off, okay? If we come into all, we can go to all labels, text, off, and you'll notice that it actually just turned all the labels off. So you can come in here and play around with all of these settings. Again, I'm not going to go through all of them. There's tons of things that you can do, change all the color components to it, and so on and so forth. And then once you're done, what you're going to do is come here and click View Code, copy to clipboard, okay? Again, just to show you this one last time, open this up. Actually, I already had it in brackets, so I'm going to open this back up in brackets. Okay. Oh, didn't have it open. Let's try this one more time. Open up my file. Go to brackets again. Sorry about that. There you go. There's my file. I'm just going to select everything, delete, and then paste again. And now you'll see that all that code is in there. It doesn't matter whether it's the line items are removed from it or not. So we're just going to simply click Save. We're going to go back to our use file. Going to go back to the design settings. And what we're going to do is just going to re-upload the same file again. And you'll now notice that we have a map, and the map now has no labels associated to it because we changed the overall design. So that's it. That's how you use Snazzy Maps to change the overall look and feel of your map design.